is Michael Sanchez. I'm part of the FRC team here at Energy Institute High School, #5892, and I'm part of the hopper sub-team. So we've got a hopper, which is a standard FRC tote, and at the bottom of the hopper there's an agitator, kind of pushing the balls out and forward to an elevator that will lead to a shooter. But in our hopper, there's 2 spots of negative space, where inside the hopper we kind of have a couple, 2 corners plated off, and there's kind of really nothing inside them. So since motors can be a little bit space limiting, we decided to just put the motors inside there, and we're just going to use a gear train to attach to a shaft, or the axle that will spin the agitator.
I'm not using that.